As part of regular maintenance, you will need to clean the filter on your washing machine from time to time to keep your washing machine clean. So for this top loader, filter is located inside the drum. So this is the filter. To access it, push the filter down and take the filter out. And as you can see, a lot of stuff has been caught, and yeah, so this needs to be washed and cleaned. Okay, so this can be quickly wiped off. Just grab a piece of paper, tissue paper. Okay, so it's also good to give it a good wipe inside the drum where the filter came out. Look how dirty the surface was. Okay, so the inside surface is clean now, so the filter can go back in, and that's it.